Hello everyone, today let's learn how to save Reels video to Instagram account. To get started, open up the Instagram application, log into your account and find specific Reels videos that you want to save to your account. Next step, tap on three little dots at the bottom of the screen of any Reels and tap on save. Now, as you can see here says save it. To find this specific video that we saved to our Instagram account, this process is very simple. You should go to your profile, tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. From the appeared menu, tap on save it. Next step, you should tap on all posts and tap on the Reels icon here, and you'll be able to see your all saved videos here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.